Hi kids, welcome to Kids World. Today I have an interesting story for you. Come, let's go into the story. Once, there lived a poor man called Deva. He was living in a hut with his mom. He had to work hard for their daily bread. From his childhood, he liked to have lot of eggs as his dinner. But purchasing eggs in his small wages was a real challenge for him. So he decided to work out a plan. According to his plan, whenever he saw hen roaming somewhere around their village, he used to chase and catch the hen and kept it in his backyard under a basket so that hen would not escape from that place. When his mom saw him stealing the hens, she started to scold him.
Deva, do you think what you do is right? You are committing a very offensive crime. This is not fair. If anybody have a glance at our backyard, what would they think about us? Please release those hens. Return the hens to their original places.
Why do you bother about all these silly things, Mom? Stealing hen is not an offensive crime as you think. I cannot purchase eggs through my earnings daily. So through all these stolen hens, I can get my eggs every day. You need not worry about this matter, because so far I have not robbed or seized others' wealth or others' jewelry. Just I have stolen a hen, which is just 2 pounds worth.
Deva, stealing others' property is a crime. Whether it's a pencil or a rubber or a hen, whatever it is not a matter. But stealing matters.
Please, Mom, stop your nonsense speech. I don't agree with you. Who's going to see our backyard? And who's going to question about it? In this village, except you and me, nobody knows about this theft matter.
But God knows everything. He is watching everything.
Deva just smiled at his mom and left the place. Already Deva stole 4 hens and a cock. Those hens were yielding 4 eggs daily. Deva was happy because daily he ate up 2 eggs, and when mom denied to eat the other 2 eggs, he decided to sell the 2 eggs, which made him to work out another plan.
Very good idea. Let me snatch some more hens and cocks so that I'll get many eggs every day. When I sell those eggs, I'll get more money.
He was talking to himself and decided a plan which was opposed by his mum.
No, Deva. Hereafter, don't continue your stealing attitude. God is watching everything. God will punish you if you steal somebody's property.
Neglecting mum's words, Deva went out to steal some hens and cocks. In the evening time, in a rope, he tied up 4 more hens and came home. He kept those hens in his backyard. Very soon, he was getting a reasonable amount of money through selling eggs. After a month, Deva was handling almost 50 stolen hens in his backyard. His mum disliked this activity, and so she always had an argument with him. The disagreement with son always led to disputes. Later on, one day Deva was cleaning his backyard with a broom, sweeper, and a basin. After cleaning it, he burnt up all the waste heaps at the corner of the backyard and went out for his work. When he was working for his daily wages, he could notice some people running towards north direction. He became curious and wanted to know the reason. He stopped a running man and asked him for a reason. The running man
Why they
said,
are all running towards this direction?
Sir, there is a fire accident. Your hut is burning like a volcano, so we are running there to watch it.
What? Fire accident?
Yes, sir.
Deva was shocked on hearing this news. He too started to run towards that direction. To his guess, it was confirmed that it was none other than his own one. He started to scream with shock and dozed out with giddiness. He became unconscious. When he woke up, he was in the hospital. One man said with sorrow,
Deva, I hope Today morning you had swept and gathered all the wastes at the backyard and burnt it. The flame, along with wind, spreaded everywhere. As the backyard trees became hot in the summer days, it caught up the fire at once. This fire spreaded to the hut where your mum was sleeping after finishing her work. We put lot of efforts to save her, but we could not.
That person said all these things with distress. At that moment, Deva could hear and recollect his mum's words only.
Deva, God is watching everything. He will punish you if you steal somebody's property.
Now, Deva could realize his mistake after losing his mum. He started to burst with a loud cry. Children, can you understand the moral of the story? As his mum said, God is watching everything. He will be punishing us one day if we steal somebody's property. So, children, be honest always. Children, I hope you like this story. If you like this story, tell your parents to share this video and subscribe this channel Kids World. Next time I'll come along with some other story. Thank you so much.